This list covers no-nickel hyperaccumulators. Accumulators are plant species tolerant to nickel. See also Hyperaccumulators Table 1 Ag, Al, As, B, Cr, Cu, Hg, Mn, Mo, Naphthalene, Pb, Pd, C, Zn. Hyperaccumulators Table 3 CD, CS, Company, Pu, Ra Senior, U, radionuclides, hydrocarbons, organic solvents, etc.Notes. In the genus Alyssum, free histamin, his, is an important Ni-binding ligand that increases in the xylem proportionately to root Ni uptake. There is a close correlation between Ni tolerance, rootase concentration, and ATP-PRT transcript abundance. Thus, ATP-PRT expression may play a major role in regulating the pool of free His and contributes to the exceptional Ni tolerance of hyperaccumulator Alyssum species. But this is not the complete hyperaccumulator phenotype because his GM overproducing lines do not exhibit increased Ni concentrations in either xylem sap or shoe tissue. Alpine pennicris or alpine P E N N Y G R A S S is also found as alpine P E N N Y C R E S T in some books. Reference sources with notes. The references are so far mostly from academic trial papers, experiments and generally of exploration of that field. See also photoremediation, hyperaccumulators. List of hyperaccumulators. Hyperaccumulators Table 3.